Alright, this is random duels versus Gokublack. We're in the general with all these guys here in the background. There we go.
Workout that you
Let's
want.
duel versus Gokublack. PCG new ban list or current ban list.
No.
Dude,
Big guy.
This is a shoot.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, wait, what?
no.
Oh, yeah, since I used one of his materials.
I'll go second. I'll give you first turn, bro.
Alright, man. This is the first time ever dueling. We haven't even dueled, right?
What?
Okay.
Why are you card sleeps?
I'll look up the channel. I can't
Question?
find it.
What's up?
Question. Why are you sponsoring your own YouTube channel as card sleeves?
That's what I
Why?
was told. They told me to do that.
Wow.
That's what they told me to put, man.
Not a bad hand. Not a bad hand at all. Yeah. God damn it!
Please stop everything.
Oh.
Does not make you into a cool kid.
You have no
Why
attack points
Zodiacs? But forget this. I'm
Wait, I
the
can't
dude.
attack.
Okay. I'll just,
Shit.
Now let's do. You may have to edit your video and remove me cussing in it, but that's beside the point.
Okay. I swear all the time.
That's why you have this. That's what you have this for.
You have to bleed.
Hey, do you mind if I switch stacks?
Nope. We're recording right now.
Shut up.
I told you. We're recording.
Update.
Let's go. I'm not editing. I'm not editing.
Make sure you go buy my new
We'll
merch.
be sitting here for about 10,000
I don't
years.
have merch.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Are you scared now that you faced into one of my strongest dark magician deaths?
No, what am I? No, my.
Black. Yeah, Gokublack.
Okay,
Yeah,
I might
you
actually
go
be able to
back.
pull this off after all. I'll activate Photon Sanctuary. Bringing me double tokens.
Go back.
Boss man, are you scared now? Or did you
No,
want
my
to find someone else?
it's not. Hold up. There we go. Come on.
Hold up.
Come on, whore. Come on, whore. Ain't afraid
Hey,
of you.
then I special summon Photon Vanisher to my field. And I'll gladly take Galaxy-Eyes Photon Dragon from deck to hand.
You don't make it say everything.
Yeah, this is not an anime duel.
What do next?
You say anime? That's my cup of tea.
You and your cup of tea.
You'll take
How
TK
dare you
from,
assault my
Moonlit
family
Show?
You.
of our pride?
You. Yeah.
You'll get revenge.
Yeah. Yeah.
I will
Yeah. Huh?
What are you gonna do, boss man?
pop your Galaxy Eyes
Okay, I did not
Photon
mean to do
Dragon.
that. I did not mean to do
Another card, and I will end my turn.
I did not mean to do that. Come on, please. Shit.
God damn it.
I mean, best hand I ever fucking got. Yeah. Yeah. I almost on the super every former I'm. I activate my madness effect. Oh wow.
Gains. Lots of
enough.
points.
Oh, that's all. That is a lot of points. I spelled something from my hand. Hey, go as I feel links. We sync girl summon into super
attack with,
samurai.
full
Oh, bro,
armor.
shouldn't you know you?
I'll Scarlet.
Just get that shit
Special
out
from
of
deck.
I'm
Eldritch
still stronger than you. Didn't bust all the
in
way down.
defense.
Oh shit, fuck. Yeah, for only this turn.
Alright, just gonna destroy him.
Yeah, so what you gotta do now?
Yeah, do you not realize that I want you to tag him?
Zeus. Nice.
Okay, I will that.
Okay.
I ain't no
See, I
pussy.
could pull him off with this deck.
I also am known to play Zombie Robber.
It's like robbing goblin. Oh, zombie. I summon.
Eldritch,
wagon.
send Conquistador, target and send your
Oh, activate the
Zeus
wagon effect.
to the graveyard.
Yeah, so activate again. Get to my hand.
I'm not worried.
You know, I'll activate. Equipping it onto my wagon.
It's not like
Why would you get rid of your other
I
card?
will summon Ramram.
Okay.
Because with that, I special summon from my
Xyz.
deck Super Heavy
Borbo.
Samurai Bin Bin Gang. Not want to do that.
Battle.
Time to battle.
Direct attack with
Time to
Borbo.
battle.
I attacked my 2000.
No, I could attack the
Oh yeah,
rifle.
I forgot about that one.
And
Go!
phase
My synchro monster.
2. Stack it to the ceiling.
This isn't looking good for you.
Wait, why can't I activate it? When does start into be? Oh, that's dumb. I will set this. Not the best of hands. Need better hands.
Ah, never lose.
Don't let me bring up my deck. That you know will denominate that entire deck.
Shush now.
Yeah.
Shush.
Yep, yep.
I'm just gonna Zeus right now.
Shushing out.
Why?
Because
It's pointless.
is it? Ah, yes. Perfect.
And Fizz.
Gonna activate your Rooney
I will
zombie.
synchro
Nice.
summon. Come
So-
out. Red eyes.
Wait.
Zombie Ninja Dragon.
Yo, move! Goku Black.
Red Eye Zombie Negro Dragon.
Yay. I'll set a card face down.
Alright.
But you brought out a single monster before me? That's never happened before.
I will.
Are you going to activate anything?
Yeah, I
Conquistador,
love
Scarlet.
it.
Special
So
from
you guys want
grade.
to-
And activate such an effect.
I guess
Ready?
it's when I'm done.
I will end my turn.
Conquistador,
I'll
special
draw.
summon. Forgot controlled an Eldritch, pop a face up card.
Alright. I summon
Cloudian.
Super Heavy Samurai
Cloud
I can't
Wagon.
do anything at this point.
My wagon's effect will activate.
Red eyes.
I am decked out of play.
I'm going to. Wait. One minute.
Take the
Yeah, in
heat.
phase, I'll Zeus.
Because I'm gonna bring everything I got into this. No! Why would I activate that? I hate his ability. I honestly, truly, in the depths of my heart, I hate his ability. I really do.
It's over for you, Goku Black.
Woohoo! Second chance, please.
Oh, someone
Oh.
whiptail.
When you guys are ready, you
Zombie
Yeah,
ninja dragon. No.
Can you just end this up? You ain't gotta keep going into the extra extended plays.
Yeah, hold on there.
Second chance, bitches.
I will activate this. Come back, my monster. Zombie ninja dragon.
By the way, let me know when you guys are ready.
And
Join
finish
that.
you off
I'll
with
host that.
Eldritch, the Golden Lord.
Come out, zombie world.
Let's do
No, zombies.
Next round.
flawless victory.
Since there's a zombie card now.
It's only for one turn.
Super heavy samurai attack his card.
I take no damage.
Ow!
Hey, stop taking my monsters. Shit.
Zombie ninja dragon attack.
I'm shabs about shit. Yeah. Can I get my monster back? Thanks. I whip him with this.
Alright, I'm done siding.
I summon Super Samurai Battle Ball.
Round 2.
Oh, I can tune with this?
Dude!
Okay,
You're
now.
making me go first
I tune
again?
with the red-eyed zombie dragon.
Really, bro?
Now this hand's looking better.
First Eldlin.
Whoa, okay.
Activate. Pay 800. We got Conquistador.
Attack
Oh,
you.
summon Whiptail.
That was a pretty decent round for me.
I said I can host a tag if you guys want to do that instead.
For some rare reason, I cannot see your screen. Okay, yes, I can now.
This is a lot better than what I had earlier. I'll activate this.
Alright.
Come out, zombie
How can I
ninja dragon.
summon- there we go.
Never mind.
Alright.
Not y'all.
Wait, who's going to bed? Is that you guys?
Nope.
Yeah. I was about to do one round of tag, but I guess you guys are too busy for that. So.
Well, I can do a tag. You just gotta give me time to get done with Let's.
Well, no, because Dark Magician started another round with Boss Man, and you're probably in a 1v1, so it's like, yeah, I guess I'll go sleep for now.
Well, if you just wait, we can get this done. We can get it going.
Battle Balls of that. I can tune your monster. Go, Susan, Samurai, Beast Kuroji. I summon another tuner monster. Can I tune anything with this? No, I cannot.
Yeah.
Alright.
You?
Alright. Woo! And I believe. Fuck. Alright. Second chance, bitches. Second chance, bitches. Attack you, zombie. Baby, get attack him directly. There we go, I end my turn. My samurais are awesome.
Okay,
Not
you bring
for
on Conquistador?
Yeah,
Not for long, buddy.
can't compete with this shit. Shit, maybe you can't compete with this shit.
Conquistador, special summon, Patrol Knowledge. I get to pop a face-up card on the field.
Delicious
with
card of yours.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Nova.
That's good shit.
Well, I can't do anything at this point, so.
Alright, Tuna monster.
And
Oh my
destroyed.
god, my monster.
This build's toxic.
I'll end phase, it wasn't even end phase, I'll pop your galaxy
You
knight.
must love zombies now.
I think
In fact, use you, banish.
the blue ballers.
Just save
Alright. My brawler is gonna brawl like your face down, monster. Ah,
it.
shit.
Done?
I get
Goku Black, you done? Alright, here we go.
a whole bunch of tokens. Since you destroyed one, you get 4 more.
Okay, I'll
Destroy.
tackle
First
one of them.
one, I'll take Eldritch.
Alright.
You know, you can go into Gustav. Wait, do you have Gustav Max in your extra deck?
No, I don't.
Well, I'm saying, you could have went into him, and then used its effect to deal me 2,000 points of damage, and then go into Le Bay, and then use its effect to bring it up to 6,000 and instantly OTK me.
No,
Mm.
nah, it's okay.
I know, I'm just saying.
Ugh.
Just saying.
Alright. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the
I'm gonna do
beautiful.
some
Wow.
math here.
Oh my god.
25, yeah, this game right here. I'll go into drill driver.
Oh my god.
Switch
Alright.
positions, change positions. Battle.
Can't be destroyed by battle.
Drill driver.
Can't be destroyed by battle.
Direct attack.
See.
I pretty much just chosen the wrong deck for this. That's all it is.
Eldritch the Golden Lord.
Yeah, that's it.
Ah, he rage quit.
I didn't rage quit. I was going to the tag, you idiot.
3500 Eldritch the Golden
Oh,
Lord.
wait.
It's up. It's up.
Oh, okay.
Let's duel rings.
That's
Flawless.
pretty
Well, that wasn't flawless. Thank you, Goku Black, for the duel.
Alright, now go to the tag, I believe.
Well, I chose the wrong deck, that's the thing.
Yeah, sure you did. Comment, share, like if you subbed it,
I did.
See you guys.